In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize an image on Canva. So first I open this design. You can open any of design whatever you want. Now I'm going on elements, then click on photos. Then here is a lots of photos. So I choose this one. Okay, this one. So here the main things. If you want to set this image on this whole the page, just click on right button. Then set image as background. Just click here. You can see it's already setting on here. Then if you want to right and left, just doing it manually, you can doing it here. Wow. Then click on OK. So if you don't like it, just I'm just go back this one. So here is a cropping option available if you are doing it manually. Then okay. Then you can doing it manually. So I again just doing this one. Then I need to just click on the first of all select this image, then click on this resize option. Then you can doing it your custom size like social media post, presentation, video, website, etc, etc. So for purpose I choose on here custom size. Then it's called like 1200. Then it's 900. I input this only manually. Okay, it's a portrait page, so I select this one 900 into 1200. Just copy and resize, or just click on resize this design. So I click second one, just wait few seconds. You can see this page already resize. You can see here. I again select this photo and going on resize, then click on custom size. Then you select 900 and 1200. Okay, I select first one copy and resize. Just click here. You can see longer design may take a little longer. Then click on open 900 into 900. Wow, you can see it's already resized as my own way. Just click on right button, then click on set as background. Wow, it's already set. So thanks for watching. See you again.